Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna share with you a review about this body moisturizer from Mixa. It is a Mixa Cica Repair. I'm gonna talk about the ingredients and also the effects on the skin. So if you are interested, keep watching the video and don't forget to like and subscribe. So the first thing is the ingredients. So the first ingredient in this body moisturizer is urea. There is 5% of urea in this moisturizer. So urea helps the skin to be more moisturized and hydrated and also soft. The second ingredient is glycerin, and the third ingredient is B5. So vitamin B5 repair and smooth the skin. And also we have in this moisturizer niacinamide. So the niacinamide helps to reduce the irritation on the skin. And there is also other ingredients in this moisturizer like shea butter. So the benefits of this moisturizer are: the first thing, it helps to repair the dry skin and also smooth the rough areas. And the best thing about this moisturizer, it help improve the skin texture and also protect the skin from dryness. And from my experience, this moisturizer helped me so much with my KP. So it gives me a smooth and very soft skin without any textures. And also this moisturizer has a very calm and beautiful smell. It is not very strong, so it is not a big problem. So I recommend this moisturizer for all skin types, especially if you have dry skin. I have dry skin, so this moisturizer helps me so much. This moisturizer just for the body, don't use it on your face. So if you have a very dry skin or your skin has texture like KP, this moisturizer gonna help you to smooth the skin, and also it's gonna give you the right hydration to your skin. Now I'm gonna show you the texture of this moisturizer. So like you see, it is very rich texture. It hydrates the skin and also it gives you a shine to your skin. I like the effect of it on my skin. You see, my skin is shining. It's very hydrating and it smells so good. It smells so good. Do you see the shine? My skin is shining. And just like this. And just like this, our video comes to an end. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.